This is always everybody's favorite part, so I can't cut him out of it. This is my canine partner. We'll be real quick. This is Croy. He just celebrated his 3rd birthday. This is one of our tools that we use to combat these drug problems. I deploy him all the time, it seems like, on vehicles, especially on the road. An alert from him gives us probable cause to search. We can use these dogs anytime. Your guys' administration knows that we are always available to come into school. It doesn't have to be something that you guys had issues with. It just could be a, hey, it's Tuesday morning. I hope that it's not an inconvenience for you guys when we come in, because really that's a very good deterrent. And if we find stuff, we can get ahead of it. So, yeah, he's really excited. I got a toy in my back pocket, and he knows it. So I put a hide back there. So it's about 15, almost 20 grams of heroin that's along that back wall. Croy's alert is a sit. We can run him down banks of lockers or just in a classroom. Kids are smart. They know that we search lockers and not classrooms. I train in schools all the time. We all train in schools all the time, so we can run in there too. So some of you folks might have to pop up and look that way or just turn around. But we'll see if we can find that. Apparently he's really excited. So then some of we train is he won't come off of this. So I don't know if you guys can see there's a silver box, magnetic, magnetic, science teachers. It's stuck on one right there. So he will not leave that odor until I release him or reward him. So he'll sit there, he should sit there forever, he should never leave. That's not always the case. Good job.